Y'all, I am back again. I thought that I was only going to upload one vlog today, but I've decided to give y'all a second vlog today. So this is a bonus vlog for y'all. I need to wash all these dishes because this kitchen is looking a mess. Finished up with breakfast not that long ago. So, wait. Okay, hold on, because I do not want to run up my light bill. Hold on. Get some more light up in here. Anywho, I am back. I need to clean up my kitchen, wash all these dishes. Ooh. Yeah, I'm just here today to work hard and kick these vlogs out here on my mini YouTube channel. After giving y'all the update on my celibacy journey, I sat back and I was like, that's it? No, you need to continue vlogging today. And that's what I'm here to do. And let me make sure my kitchen is clean. It better not get back dirty. Okay. Stuff that all over. Set that over there. Wipe down this sink because I want my kitchen to be clean, okay? These countertops, they just drive me crazy. It's like every day I gotta clean them because they like to collect, you know, dirt and ketchup stains. Don't like it.
I don't think so.
Gotta tackle those kitchen cabinets in a little bit.
I don't think so.
You know,
No.
one step at a time. She clean for now. Hey y'all, before I do anything, I'm gonna clean up my bathroom, clean up the sink, the toilet, and the bathtub. I got my Lysol for the toilet.
Ever gonna happen? I don't think so. No. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope. A nope, definitely nope. A nope. Probably never, ever gonna happen. Oh no. so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no.